Hello, fashion lovers. How are you today? I hope you are all fine, enjoying good health. I'm here again with another styling guide. This outfit concept focuses on creating a refined and commanding presence suitable for a luxury hotel lobby setting, where elegance, structure, and subtle confidence play a defining role in overall appearance. The combination of thigh-high boots with a structured blazer introduce a powerful balance between bold footwear and tailored upper body styling, resulting in a look that feels both modern and composed. For older women, the emphasis should remain on controlled sophistication, ensuring that bold elements are integrated thoughtfully rather than appearing excessive. A luxury hotel environment naturally demands polished styling that feel intentional and well coordinated. This approach allows for confidence expression within a refined setting. The structured blazers serve as the foundation of the outfit, providing shape, definition, and a sense of tailored elegance that anchor the entire look. A well-fitted blazer with clean line and subtle shoulder structure help enhance posture and create a confident silhouette. Neutral tones such as black, beige, or deep navy work particularly well in a luxury environment. The fabric should have enough structure to hold its shape while still allowing comfortable movement. Thigh-high boots act as a statement element of the outfit, introducing height, elongation, and a bold yet controlled visual impact. Choosing boots with a sleek and fitted design ensure that they complement the tailored blazer rather than competing with it. Materials such as smooth leather or soft suede can be selected depending on the desired finish. Hair and makeup should reflect the polished and composed nature of the outfit, enhancing the overall presentation without becoming overly dramatic. A neat hairstyle such as sleek bun, soft wave, or straight styling complement the structured element of the outfit effectively. Makeup should focus on clean definition using neutral tone and subtle highlight to enhance natural feature. This outfit represents a refined approach to combine bold footwear with structured tailoring for a luxury setting. The thigh-high boot provides a strong and modern statement, while the blazer anchors the look while elegance and control. Each element is selected to contribute to a cohesive and polished appearance. The styling remains balanced, avoiding excess while still delivering impact. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in another fashion guide. Till then, friends, bye bye. Take care. Keep smiling, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel. Keep watching my videos, share with your family, friends. Subscribe to my channel for more fashion content and inspiration.